George. I'm a part of Annapolis Boat Sales, and currently I'm sitting on the 2025 Steiger Craft 255, and I'm going to show you what's going on this boat. So first, I almost fell asleep on this very luxurious cushions, and you can lay down on it if you're very tired. For an example, and yeah, it's very nice. Now we're moving on. If you like to stand, there are these comfortable pads that you could sit if you want to be like this, or if you're leaning over to see what's going on. It's normally other boats don't do this, so it kind of hurt on your stomach if you're a little bit shorter. All right, now moving on to these seats. These seats are very, very comfortable, and let's just say you have 5 friends. You have 3 sit there, and then you can have 2 sit there, so then everybody can be part of the conversation. Now moving on, we have our sink and our 2 cup holders. I would recommend using the sink since you can move it. You want to wash your hair, you could stand right on the side and then wash your hair. Very easy. Now we have these 2 cup holders and then these other cup holders. See, and then if you have a lot of people on this boat and they don't want to hold their phones, here are some portable phone holders. And if you don't like your phone standing up, you have a little phone port right here. Now we have all of these drawers, and this one holds as a wine rack. So let's just say you're having a party, a massive party on this boat. You could have all of your wine here and maybe your shot glasses stacked up in there. Now over here, same thing, but this time there's no wine rack. Okay, moving on. We have, if you love sitting down with your girlfriends or all of your friends, all of you guys can sit down here. The capacity is a lot, so yeah. Now the driver can either pull up if he likes to stand, or if he's short like me, he could stand and drive. Or if he's very tall, lift this up and then they can stand and drive. Also, I feel if it's raining and you want to see, you can just use the windshield wipers and you'll still be good to go. Okay, now moving on to the cabin. In here, the seats are extremely comfortable. I've been in here many times, and I've fallen asleep in here many times. It's not as loud as outside, so it's easier to fall asleep. If it's dark out and it's nighttime, you can turn on the light, but can't turn it on now because the stuff isn't on. And right here, all of these are movable pads, and here is the toilet. I'd recommend using it if you're going on long trips. Okay, now if you want to close the door, you can. It's a little bit harder, but close it, and then put this on top, and there you go. All right, now we're going to the very great favorite part, the front of the boat. If you love sunsets like me and you're parked in a spot where there's a lot of sunsets, you can just sit back and relax and watch a sunset. I've done this before, very fun. Now if you love scaring your kids, it's very easy to open this. Just open it like this. Or if you're in your bathing suit and they're blocking this way, you can just jump right in there. It's very easy to open. This is opened. This is locked. And right here is the anchor, and that's really it. I'm Nina. Please come see us at our Chesapeake Bay boat show. Goodbye.